Welcome, today I'm with me iPhone 14 Plus and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just open our device or a screen which you want to add the widget, and after that let's hold for a while our device screen. Then you'll see here plus icon on the right upper corner. Click here once and now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can use the clock widget. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We can find 4 different types of the widgets. We can use here just another one, the maps, the battery status, the music, the contacts, fitness app, photos, just weather, just what you want to add. For example, let's use the calendar. We can add the regular calendar, the schedule, the full month view. For example, let's use this one. Click here, add widget, and now we can see the widget added successfully. If you want to hold, just move it on the screen, just hold, and after that drag it. By this way you can change the position of the widget here on the home screen. We can move widgets here on between the screens also. Just hold and after that drag it, and we can create the new screens with our widget. If you want to just remove it, you should hold and after that click here, remove widget, and confirm your action. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.